I'm Stingray, and I'm Steve's daughter. This is my channel, Stingray's Hunting Adventures. I'm a part of Steve/Stingray's Hunting Adventures Club, and I'm his sidekick. My dad is 45, I'm 10, and we have been hunting for a while now. I've been wanting to hunt with him since I was 4 or 5, and I got to go 5.5, 6. Of course, he wouldn't let me at 4 or 5. His hunting story is when he was little. He went hunting with his own father too. He grew up to be a hunter and just kept hunting. Seriously, he cannot resist about hunting. He hunts with his friends, and I come too. We go on this pen where we train the dogs before they go. You always need to make sure you train your dogs before they pick hunt. Don't be scared of the pigs. If they come near, you just go the opposite way. Also, just to note, my name is not actually Stingray. Also, go check out Steve/Stingray's Hunting Adventures Club. You gotta check that out. That's my dad's hunting club YouTube channel. This is mine. He has his. We have the same videos uploaded on the same channel, but we do have a lot of different ones too. So make sure to subscribe to both. And don't doubt that we have the same ones, because you'll see. Thank you for seeing this, and I hope you have a great day. Keep hunting!